Hello, 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 everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover. We've got an unboxing. Okay, this is the Jimmy Beans Accessory Club unboxing. They put it in this pretty bag. But I love the bag because it's got all these labels on it that you can give to somebody. I stitched this myself, lovingly made for you. Okay, so I told you guys last month I signed up for this subscription. It's a monthly subscription through Jimmy Beans. I've never gotten subscriptions from them before, and I signed up for these because their yarn is notoriously very, very nice. Now last month the yarn was from Cascade Yarns, which I really, really like, and it was a lovely merino yarn. And I did struggle a bit to find the pattern. I didn't know where to look for it, but I finally found it. And I was a little surprised because I'm used to the subscription boxes having this and that and the other thing. And I was a little bit surprised when I opened it and it literally had yarn in the bag. And that was it. So now I know what to expect and I won't be surprised quite so much. Okay, so that was the January, and I think I signed up a little bit late and that's why it got to me so late. But anyway, this is the February. So let's open it and see. Oh, I might be able to open it without cutting it. That would be nice, then I could reseal the bag. Nope. We're gonna rip it right off. Rip it right off. All right. Ooh, I feel yarn. Can you see anything in there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a lot of yarn. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, there's a piece of paper this time. We didn't have a piece of paper last time. Let's see what the piece of paper says. Hello again. If you've been with Jimmy Beans for any number of years, you know how much we cherish our relationship with our vendors. These connections are what allows us to offer you great yarn at wonderful prices. They're part of the reason. Blanket club, shawl, accessories. Accessories, a new subscription added in 21. Oh, I thought it was brand new. Malabringo. I hear somebody outside. That's why I keep looking out there. I am at work. No. So the Malabringo, it just explains what the different clubs are. Okay, we already knew what the different clubs were. Okay, let's look at the beautiful beans. I was thinking about that commercial. Okay, oh, Baracco Vintage Baby DK Weight. A soft, machine washable blend in DK weight. I've been wanting to do more DK. So this makes me happy. Oh, okay. We have a little cafe table out front. There's just some people sitting down there. That's fine, that's what it's for. Baracco Vintage Baby. And it's 52% acrylic, 40% wool, 8% nylon. It is a 50-gram ball, 1.75 ounces, 145 yards, 3 weight, of course. And it says to use a G hook, which is a 4 millimeter. Okay, and the colors are just numbers, so that won't do any good. So I'm going to call this navy blue. It's a very, very, very solidly navy blue. This is beautiful. A gray, almost a marled gray. It's a greenish blue. I don't know what to call it. It's very, very pretty. Very pretty greenish blue. Sage? Maybe a sage. Ooh, and this is a very pretty tan. Very, very pretty. Okay. I thought I had 5. Nope, I lied. 4. Those are the colors. They look beautiful together. Oh my gosh, those are beautiful. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, let's see what we're going to be making with these lovely things. This time I actually loaded it up. I didn't look because I didn't want to look until we were together. Okay, download file. Oh. Okay, I can see that. Starlight beanies. And the one fun thing about the accessory kit is you can do it in knit or crochet. Let me make this a little bigger. That's what we're making. Let me see if I can pick these colors up with one hand. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can, but I'm going to try. Okay, so these are the colors, and that's the hat. Those are the colors, and that's the hat. Very, very pretty. See, I don't have that light blue, so my colors are definitely different. My colors are definitely different than these colors. We've got, yeah, they're definitely different, which is going to also make it hard for me when I'm trying to, I guess that light blue is this. This is what they're calling the light blue because we definitely have this color. The gray. Yeah, the tan. So I guess this is supposed to be that light blue. Okay, so what's it say about this? Perfect accessory, starlight beanies. By the time I get this done, nobody's wearing beanies around here. Perfect project to dip into color work if you're a newbie. Or a quick project if you're a color work champ. You use a size 6 circular needle, okay. I'm not using DPNs, so I will use the magic loop method that I learned. This is really pretty. And we're going to use a chart, which I know how to do, so that's not a problem. Oh, okay, so they're calling this navy and pepper. I wouldn't call that pepper. And lagoon, I think. And toast. I would call that toast. Beanies work from the bottom up in the round. We're going to carry our colors. Carry them up inside the beanie. Yarn over slip stitch. Oh, so this is that waistcoat stitch, slip stitch, right? Chain 1, chain 2, mosaic color work pattern, mosaic. Working single crochet in the back loop, following a tapestry chart, changing colors. This is weird. They're calling it a tapestry. They're calling it a mosaic. No, it's just tapestry. I'm not entirely sure what tapestry is considered in crochet. I'm not sure. I am not sure what tapestry is considered in crochet. That is something worth looking up. Tapestry crochet, tapestry crochet technique. That's going to be interesting. So you're carrying the yarn with you, and then okay, so you're carrying the yarn with you, and then you're crocheting over the yarn that you're carrying. How do you do that when you've got 4 different colors? Charts. Changing colors with right and left hand. Don't crochet loose. Yeah, that's what they're doing. They're crocheting over the color. And then the yarn doesn't show. Yeah, I don't know how we're going to do that and keep it the same tension. And then you're carrying it up the side. Carrying it up the side like that. That's going to be interesting. And I can see it with 2 colors, but I don't know how we're going to do that with 4 colors. Wow. Very, very interesting. Have any of you guys done that before? Have any of you guys done, I've done tapestry, I think, and just maybe not even realized I was doing it, because I've done that where I've carried the yarn and crocheted over the top of it. I don't think I've done it with more than 1 color though. Yeah, because even on her little thing there, she's got a lot of color there, but each section is only 2 colors. Very interesting. And boy, oh boy, when you're doing those colors, it's going to be tricky. It is going to be tricky. I might have to get a book. Might have to get a book. We'll see. But I like it. I love the yarn. I like the pattern. I like the design. I like the, well, okay. Now, having said that, when you look at the pattern, we're only ever using 2 colors at a time on each row. So we must be carrying the colors up on the inside. I always want to see the insides of these things. I want to see what they look like on the inside, right? The knit is much tidier looking than the crochet, but that's just the nature of the beast. But I have a feeling that I want to do this in the crochet just to see how this works up. However, and you guys have heard me say this before, I do not really care for the way the ribbing looks like on crochet, and I always have a tendency to want to knit my ribbing on these hats. I just think that a knit rib looks so much nicer than a crocheted rib. And I know there's ways to do it, and I've seen people do it. Very interesting. Okay, what do you guys think? What do you think about the yarn? The Baraka vintage yarn is really nice. I like the yarn. Oh, I was going to look up the pricing on that. Let's see if we got a deal on the yarn. Baraka, B-E-R-R-O-C-O, Baraka vintage. Well, it looks like they've got it. I think it's funny because they tend to carry these yarns at my regular yarn store. Baraka Vintage Baby DK yarn. There it is. Boom. Okay, $5.25. So $5, $10, $15, $20, $21. And I paid $25 for the kit. right, let's put this away. It's not on sale. That's the regular price, $5.25. Boy, it comes in a lot of pretty colors, doesn't it? Lots of pretty colors. And this is just literally the store I shop at, the store I take my classes at, and I can just walk in there and buy this yarn for that much money. Alrighty. And you can buy it too, online. I should start putting a link to this yarn store. They've got beautiful yarn and they have a lot of good sales. I'm going to start, if I can figure out how, I'm going to start putting a link to my yarn store in my videos. Especially when the yarns that I can get here, you can get right here. Okie dokie. That's it for this week. I really like the yarn. I think I really like that pattern. I think that pattern is worth making. It's something that I would absolutely make. I'm going to have to decide if I want to try to knit that or crochet it. I think crochet would go quicker, except that I'm not really good at the tapestry, but it's, you know, this is the year of learning. This is the year of learning new things. So it would be good for me to do that. So we shall see. I want your opinion. Should I knit it? Should I crochet it? And tell me what you think about this month's kit. Was it a good value? We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Please like, please subscribe. Bye-bye.